How to take care of dry hair so it looked shiny, silky, and healthy. Let's talk about dry hair type in more detail. Dry hair usually doesn't get dirty very quickly and can often go a few days or even a week without looking greasy. However, instead of excess sebum, you may experience other problems such as breakage, dry dandruff, a tight scalp, high hair porosity, split ends, a dull appearance, and frizz. Those are the most common signs of this type of hair. But why does hair become dry? Lack of vitamins. Lack of vitamins A, C, D, E, B minerals, such as magnesium, zinc, calcium, iron, selenium, phosphorus, and others, which are vital for hair growth and health. Only lack of one element may affect your hair, nail, and skin conditions. Stress, low immune system. Feeling strong emotions, stress are led by cortisol, prolactin, and adrenocorticotropic hormone productions. Hormones of stress affect your appearance badly. It may cause hair growth arrest, disruption of sebaceous gland function, and nutritional deficiency for hair follicles. Even after a little stress, your hair may start falling out and stop growing. Ecology and environment. Your hair condition directly depends on your environment. Polluted air, bad elements, dust, ultraviolet, atmospheric fluctuations, dryness, or increased humidity may also affect your hair. Studies show that polluted elements in the air decrease your level of beta-catenin, which is required for hair growth, regeneration, and regulations of follicles. By ultraviolet impact, your hair gets weaker, more damaged, and brittler over time. Because of cold air and low humidity level during winter, your hair may become electrified, be tangled, hard to brush, and become fragile. Wrong hair care routine. One of the most common problem is wrong hair care routine. Not correctly selected shampoo, lack of conditioner after washing your hair mask neglecting may only make everything worse. Another problem is not proper scalp cleansing. There are a lot of mud and remnants of hair care products left, so it's necessary to clean your scalp properly with shampoo that suits your hair type. Hair dryer and thermo devices. Your hair may lose some of its hydration if you dry it with hot air or use hair straightener, hair curler, and so on. Hair lightening, painting, keratin. Any chemical procedures make hair weaker. Even the highest quality, professional hair painting with ammonia opens cuticle scales, so the pigment or paint can penetrate the cortex. What signs of hydration lose? Water. Water quality, content, and temperature of water affects your hair condition more than you think. Chlorinated, salted, and hot water damages your hair and leads to dryness. Now we will talk about what should you do to make it all better. First of all, pay attention to your diet. Try to eat a balanced diet and drink enough water to keep your body properly hydrated. It is important to consume foods rich in vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, as well as minerals such as magnesium, zinc, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and selenium, which play an important role in maintaining healthy hair. Some of the best examples include beef liver, eggs, fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, buckwheat, nuts, especially almonds and Brazil nuts, spinach, meat, citrus fruits, dairy products, and cabbage. If you think you may have a vitamin or mineral deficiency, consult a doctor before taking supplements. Excessive intake of certain vitamins and minerals can also be harmful to your health. Try to reduce stress whenever possible. Chronic stress can negatively affect your overall health, including the condition of your hair. While it is impossible to avoid stressful situations completely, learning how to manage stress can make a significant difference. Talking to friends or family members, exercising, getting enough sleep, and spending time on hobbies can all help you cope with stress more effectively. It is also a good idea to avoid excessive chemical treatments such as bleaching, frequent hair dyeing, perming, or keratin treatments. These procedures can weaken the hair structure, increase dryness, and make hair more prone to breakage. Although proper hair care can improve the appearance of damaged hair, severe chemical damage is often difficult to reverse completely. The way you wash and dry your hair is equally important. Wash your hair with lukewarm water rather than hot water, as hot water can strip away natural oils and leave the hair even drier. Before applying your shampoo on your scalp, lather it in your palms and then apply only on your skin. After washing, Gently pat your hair dry with a towel instead of rubbing it vigorously, since wet hair is more fragile and prone to damage. When using a hairdryer, choose a low or medium heat setting and keep the dryer moving continuously to avoid overheating one area. It is best to dry the roots first and gradually work your way down to the ends. If possible, allow your hair to air dry partially before using a hairdryer. When brushing your hair, start from the ends and slowly work your way up toward the roots. This helps prevent unnecessary pulling, breakage, and split ends. For people with dry or highly porous hair, using a wide-tooth comb can be gentler than using a regular brush. And one of the most important things is the right hair care routine. It is important to choose products that contain plant extracts, natural oils, and moisturizing and nourishing ingredients. For cleansing, you should use a gentle shampoo that does not dry out your scalp. It should not contain harsh cleansing agents or drying ingredients such as sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, high concentrations of alcohol, or other aggressive surfactants. A good shampoo may contain moisturizing ingredients such as glycerin, panthenol, collagen, proteins, lipids, aloe vera extract, and natural oils. Wash your hair only when it becomes dirty or greasy to avoid stripping away the natural lipids that protect the hair cuticle. After washing your hair, it is important to use a conditioning product such as a moisturizing conditioner, balm, or hair cream on the lengths of your hair. These products help deeply moisturize the hair, smooth the cuticle, make brushing easier, prevent tangling, and create a protective barrier against moisture loss. To restore shine and a healthy appearance to weakened hair, it is important to replenish moisture inside the hair shaft by using hydrating treatments.
What the dog doing?
Such products should contain active ingredients and moisturizing complexes such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera extract, panthenol, and natural oils, including argan, marula, coconut, jojoba, and macadamia oil. Hair oils can also help reduce moisture loss and improve the overall appearance of dry hair. For additional hair care, you can use hydrating, nourishing, repairing, or color-protecting hair masks, as well as moisturizing sprays, serums, fluids, and professional oils. Leave-in products should be applied in small amounts and distributed evenly throughout the hair. For dry hair, it is best to avoid alcohol-based products, which are often found in styling cosmetics. If you regularly use heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant beforehand. So let's look at some hair care products that may work well for dry hair. As a shampoo, you may use Mise Sen Perfect Serum Shampoo, Kundal Honey and Macadamia Shampoo, Lador Keratin LPP Shampoo, or Dengi Mayo Riki Gold Premium Shampoo. These shampoos are suitable for dry hair because they contain moisturizing and nourishing ingredients such as natural oils, proteins, amino acids, botanical extracts, and conditioning agents. They cleanse the scalp without excessively stripping away natural oils and help maintain the hair's moisture balance. As a conditioner or hair mask, you may use Kundal Honey and Macadamia Treatment, Lador Hydro LPP Treatment, Mise en Scène Perfect Serum Treatment, Mise en Scène Perfect Serum Hair Pack, or Kundal Protein Bonding Care Treatment. These products are particularly beneficial because they contain ingredients such as hydrolyzed proteins, keratin, amino acids, honey, macadamia oil, and various moisturizing agents. These components help strengthen the hair shaft, improve elasticity, reduce breakage, smooth the cuticle, and lock moisture inside the hair, making it softer and easier to manage. As a leave-in product, you may use Lador Perfect Hair Fill-Up, Mise en Scène Perfect Serum Original, or Kundal Macadamia Hair Serum. These products help protect the hair from environmental damage, reduce frizz, improve shine, and prevent moisture loss throughout the day. They often contain nourishing oils, proteins, ceramides, and conditioning ingredients that create a protective layer around the hair shaft, helping dry hair appear smoother, healthier, and more hydrated.